Hello there. Welcome to Easy English Challenge number 23 on reading and listening segment.
Welcome to our reading and listening challenge. In this segment, you'll hear a short passage read aloud. As you listen, try to focus on understanding the main ideas, key details, and vocabulary. After listening, test your comprehension with a few questions or discuss what you learned with a friend. Ready to sharpen your English listening and reading skills? Let's get started.
Today's story is about Ella's healthy transformation. Ella loved snacking on chips, cookies, and soda while binge-watching her favorite shows. She often felt sluggish and unmotivated, but she shrugged it off as normal. One day, during a family picnic, she noticed how easily her younger cousins ran around and played while she struggled to keep up. Out of breath after just a short walk, Ella realized she needed to make a change. "I want to feel stronger and healthier," she told herself that evening. Ella began her journey the next morning. She swapped sugary cereals for a bowl of fresh fruit and oatmeal and took a brisk 15-minute walk around her neighborhood. At first, it felt hard, her legs ached, and she missed her usual snacks. But she kept at it, setting small goals each week. She gradually added more vegetables to her meals, started drinking more water, and tried new exercises like yoga and cycling. Slowly but surely, Ella began to notice changes. She felt more energetic, her skin looked healthier, and she even started sleeping better at night. Months later, Ella couldn't believe how far she had come. She was running longer distances, enjoying wholesome meals, and even inspiring her friends and family to join her on her health journey. What started as small steps turned into a whole new lifestyle. Ella learned that being healthy wasn't about being perfect, it was about making better choices every day. "I feel stronger, happier, and more alive than ever," she said proudly, knowing her journey had only just begun.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and share so others could get the benefits as well. We have more videos coming up. Stay tuned.